ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਕਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਬੰਨ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਟੱਕ ਲੈਨੇ ਆ ਘਰੋਂ ਚੱਕ ਲੈਨੇ ਆ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਅੱਖ ਲਾਲ ਰੱਖੀ ਪਾੜੇ ਅੱਖ ਲੈਨੇ ਆ ਨੇ ਫਿਰ ਸ਼ੱਕ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਜੇ ਕੋ ਕਰਦਾ ਗਦਾਰੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੁੱਤ ਵੈਰ ਨਾਲੇ ਯਾਰੀ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਮਾੜੀ तेरे दम बत्ती बोर थले काली कार बैठे कार विच मेरे चुन मेजे यार रो करता अखा दा दिला उत्ते करेगा मुझे आओ बोड़ वांगू जड़ा बहुत डूंगी आंखड़े लोकां बादी अगे पिंगे बोले घुमदे मिंटो मिंट पटना तू हस बल्लीए केड़ा करदा तंग मैनू दस बल्लीए साडे मैटर च आउंदी ना प्लस बल्लीए करदा तंग केड़ा दस बल्लीए मैंने तेरे तेरा तू हाथ आ गया आओ पड़ के नहीं तैनू कदे बेल भेजना आओ दिल ते करीब चुक राउन सिर ते जुत्ती पैरां दी बना ले जड़े बड़े मेरी नी आओ लक मेरा कहदा जितनी तू दुनिया कम मेरे कहदे तैनू जेल भेजना
Wait 1 second, boys. We are backtesting the Forex pairs, the major pairs. This is I count the gold, US dollar, and indices that these major pairs I'll be testing for a better accuracy. My overall aim is to get a better accuracy. If I show my accuracy has been just 25% as of now. Sorry. Accuracy is very bad as per the new what do we say, as per the new 2020 model that I'm trading on the lower time frame basically. So I've been trading the 2022 model on 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minute for entry purposes, which due to which my accuracy has reduced a lot. I'm not trading the 15 minute as usual I used to do, but because the risk to reward on 15-minute time frame was not good, although the accuracy was decent enough, but the what do we say, the risk to reward ratio was not favorable for me. Like it was good, it was some most of the time it was 1:5 to 2 risk to reward, but I want so that I can risk a little less and still achieve that profit targets. I mean, like the entries that I used to take on 15-minute time frame, what I'm doing is to creating the same entries but with smaller stop losses so that my risk to reward ratio increases. Getting my point? So I'm working on that. This is my funded account phase 1 challenge I've took to work on it, right? So I've been into just my accuracy is 22%. It's way too bad, way too bad. You can see the thing is, on day 1 when I was trading my older my older entry pattern, which was a 15-minute, I took my first trade with that, which gave me a $75 profit, and after that I have gone through bunch of losing trades. I'm into a losing trade right now. So though the my risk management is decent enough, so that's why I'm not in a drawdown as of now. My stimulated profit is -10%. I'm still around the break even after 6 to 7 consecutive losing rates. I'm still at break even. That's a good thing. So that's why I've thought that this weekend I'll be backtesting and work on my accuracy. I want to see that why my accuracy is getting bad. What's the matter, right? So I'll be working on that. Let's see what we'll be able to find out. Okay, moving ahead. Uh, I have this. Okay, so what I'll do. Uh, my aim is first of all, let me just open a whiteboard. No, let me just open Notion. Journaling section. I'll be creating a new backtest. Okay, this is my backtest wala. Uh, uh, okay, so what's my strategy? I'll I be backtesting, right? So what I'll be doing is on the high time frames like weekly, daily, weekly and daily. Okay, so this is a heading. First of all, turn into a heading. Okay, so on higher time frame, what I'll be doing, I want uh, 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 uh I from external to internal, from internal to external. Uh, so the price moves from external to internal or internal to external. That we all know, right? We all know this thing. So what's special about it? Wait. External to internal and internal is my entry pattern. Apart from this, why is this? I uh, I will be basically a to-do list. I will be going through all the pairs I trade, forex pairs, trade, majorly uh, the major forex pairs. I will be looking for volatile. I'll be looking for volatile pairs. provide me good uh, can provide me good setups to trade throughout the week, right? So how will that happen? um I'll be going through all the forex pairs which I can trade, major forex pairs. I'll be looking for volatile pairs that can provide me good setups to trade throughout the week. uh, uh I will short list them only if they show good market structures. They should be approaching a fair value gap or a liquidity high or low. Okay. So what I'm saying is, go onto the whiteboard. See what I'm saying. So let's say this is the daily time frame. Okay, we have this break of structure over here. We have this break of structure. So we'll get a fair value gap. Let's say we have a fair value gap over here. So on 4 hour time frame, I'll be waiting for this is a 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is a 4 hour time. This overall is a daily time frame, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर I'm talking about this particular area. अगर मुझे एक बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे जैसे कि 4 आवर पे अगर मुझे ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर या 1 आवर पे ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर मिल जाता है, डेफिनेटली मैं यहाँ से शॉर्ट करने का प्लान कर सकता हूँ अपना पोजीशन का. मेरे को यहाँ पे 4 आवर पे एक ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए. ठीक है, अगर मेरे को वो मिल जाता है डेफिनेटली मैं शॉर्ट करने के लिए प्लान कर सकता हूँ यहाँ पे अपनी ट्रेड. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे लेट्स से मेरे को यहाँ पे रैली कप मिलेगा तो मैं उसके बेसिस पे अपना शॉर्ट करने का करूँगा टू टारगेट दिस. ठीक है, टू टारगेट दिस. आफ्टर दैट अगर मेरे को यहाँ पे आके फिर प्राइस कंसोलिडेट करने लग जाता है, देन मैं इसको उस करंट वीक से हटा के किसी और पेयर पे मूव करूँगा. बट इसको मैं ऑब्जर्व करता रहूँगा कि मेरे को जब भी इस पे एक अप मूव मिलेगा, यहाँ से एक अच्छा अप मूव मिलेगा, देन डेफिनेटली मैं इस पे प्लान कर सकता हूँ टू हंट दिस हाई. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Basically I've been watching strange ICT's YouTube channel to work on my, you can see my history. I was watching his video only. Internal to external, weekly, daily, and 4 hour. Okay. ठीक है, this shit will provide us with a bias. This shit will provide us a bias. Boys.
is a preview file. This is a preview file.
Introducing
Here's a I am being repetitive, guys, but this is how you can learn and understand better. So these are the two scenarios of price where I'm gonna choose it
Oh, my mic was mute. I forgot. Wait. Just a minute. Okay. The price can move from external to internal or internal to external. If we see this happening, I'll be going through all the forex pairs which can trade, the major forex pairs. I'll be looking for the volatile pairs only, which shows good market structures, good, which can provide me good setups throughout the week. I'll shortlist them only if they show me good market structures. They show me approach. They show that they are approaching the fair value gaps or the liquidity high or low swing points. Swing points. I have to see if the price is consolidating, expanding, retracing, or reversing. Cause I only need expansions, reversal to catch or to trade. Uh, After this, I've seen, let's say that the price has come into the internal fair value gap, internal liquidity pool, which is the fair value gap, and now we have an external liquidity point on the top, on the swing top, which we need to approach. So then we'll not directly initiate our trade onto the fair value gap. We'll wait for a confirmation. Confirmation can be either on 4 hour, 1 hour, or 15-minute time frame. So we'll wait for that. We need a market structure shift, okay, or a smart money divergence (SMT). Personally, I'm not much familiar with the smart money divergence (SMT). I have to work on that as well. Sorry. Wait. SMT is the break. Sorry, market structure shift. Wait, SMT is market structure shift. It's not divergence. It's okay. I'll wait. In 4 hour, maybe it can happen on 4 hour. It can happen on 1 hour or 15 minutes. I need to wait so that the price take a good market structure shift and with and give us a fair value gap to further trade short position from. Okay, so we'll wait for the confirmation. So we'll do exactly the same. We have our watch list. We have our read list, right? We have our watch list. I cannot rename them, right? Free. Okay, no problem. Uh, uh, Read list. I'll be adding all the major pairs from the read list. Uh, all the pairs lined up here. Uh, Wait 1 minute. Uh, this is deleted symbol is this is my read list where all the pairs that I'll be trading come up here. The note. Okay, normal. So I need to add the pairs. Okay, so out of it. Uh, Out of it, what I'll be doing is rename and go for BS. We'll have some, and let's just do it, right? Let's just start doing it. So I have this major pair in line with me. Just the back testing. I was doing the later night previous day. This was all the results out of it. Of uh, just get everything out. Add indicator the forex market session. Add it up. Okay, so starting with the 1 week time frame, what we see over here, the price is not giving us a good price action. Came back all the way into the internal liquidity pool, and if we watch the internal to moving towards the external, which is this, uh, but it took a halt over here. What we see over here is took a rejection out of it. On 4 hour as well, we can see this pullback and then break above. So we saw this fair value gap in here lined up. External took external grabbed external liquidity pool, but this is an internal this market structure. It's kind of uh, as of me, the price has given us a good break of structure to the upside, low, and this was the high. And now with the break of structure, it's approaching this fair value gap for sure. For sure. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll be waiting for it to come back till this area only. Okay. Ignore this trend line. This is just a waste of time. This is nothing. Okay. So I've drawn this fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame, which I see that the price is most likely to approach on 1 day. What we see, okay, so let me just adjust it as per the 1 day time frame. Okay, okay, so I want again see prices can good, uh, given us a good break of structure, and this order block and this fair value gap that the price could have been approaching. Okay, so I'll be looking for more short positions. I'm aiming so that the price will approach this. So taking this to the downside. Where's my diary? Just note it down. Okay, so grabbed the order block, the fair value gap, the fair value gap as well, and the order block. This was block. This was my fair value. Came all the way in, then give us a good down move. So we'll see that क्या price action बनता क्या नहीं बनता. 4 hour time frame where we can see much. 2 hour we cannot see much. 15 minutes we can. Okay, so here we have some. Here we have this order block. Some bunch of fair value gaps that the price might play around. This is very small fair value gap. Price can approach up to. Let's see. I'll just mark it up. Uh, so this fair value gap. The price might approach to. We'll see how this works. Let's hope for the best. Okay, so on 5 minute time frame, actually we saw a good down move, again a break of structure, and an entry over here. I don't know how this thing will turn out. Uh, good down move. We saw this fair value gap as well, which we should have took our trade on to 800 pips SL, 800 pips SL. The equilibrium of this range would have been our first target. Uh, good one is to 5 risk to reward. Further, we saw this. Would have targeted this as well. 1 is to 7 risk to reward. Uh, we'll be still looking for some shots. Let's see how these things will turn out. Okay, so moving ahead onto the next pair, the euro dollar. Let me just see. You can see that the price is to approach this. Good fair, good fair value gap over here. Um, on a week as well, I guess that the price would have shown us a fair value gap. No, you're not. Let's see how this things actually will work out. I'm expecting some bullish price action next week. Okay, we'll see how things will turn out. This is the 8 cap. Let me just write it down over here. Yeah, 8 cap. Okay. So, what else do we see? 15 minute price. We'll wait for the price action to build around it. We have the confirmation. 15 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour, 4 hour. Price actually didn't approach the fair value gap here. Okay. But still bearish. It's still bearish. Why so? Because low, this order block, this fair value gap actually got respected. Could give us a good down move. Rode us down. On 2 hour, if we see 2 hour, good price action. So we are waiting for the price to go a little down, to go down, and then retrace देगा हमको इसमें कहीं फिर वैल्यू गैप मिलेगा, then definitely we will planning to. ठीक है, so we are waiting for the price to actually come down, give us a fair value gap around it, and so that we can initiate our trade somewhere. Okay, so moving on to the euro USD. Moving on to the euro USD, 8 cap chart is willing for the to the market, give us break below this level, so that then after that we can be for price. This is the green zone approaching. Yeah, this is the green fair value gap zone that we approach. Going on to the euro USD. On daily time frame, what do we see? We see that the price has grabbed all the external liquidity, coming back all the way into the internal liquidity. Uh, Internal liquidity is very near the price. It's still bearish, which I think we can plan much around it. until unless we'll get confirmation, we'll not be jumping into the trade. Okay, so we are still in the bias wala. Wait, boy. We have just completed one of our analysis. This I'll be changing the thumbnail to weekly analysis view, this particular video. Moving ahead. Wait, just 1 minute. I'll be back. What if I just increase this? Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. ओके, सो बस चेकिंग द माइक क्वालिटी. चलो कोई नहीं, आगे आगे देखते कि आगे क्या है. Nice. Over here we can clearly see that the price is willing to approach the green zone again on this time frame as well. Mostly, wait, what on 4-hour time frame? What do we see? That the price took good rejection from the fair value gap and came all the way back down. So we'll be waiting for the price to give us good break below this level. A break below this level. Exactly right. I need this break below this level, leaving with some fair value gaps around it. Okay, so I'm willing to get a fair value gap around it, which I can further trade. Which can further use as my trading point. We'll see. Let's see what how the things will turn around. This is also good. Okay. This is also some sort of a good pair that I can be willing to trade. I'm also short on this. Let me just will short with a bearish POS. Okay. Bearish POS. Okay. So I've done this analysis. I'll remove 6 drawings. So what I'll write over here as well that what my aim is. And or what on 4 or fair value gap. We're willing to approach this down there. We're willing to approach this. Let me just again mark the fair value gap that we are willing to approach. This one is the 8 gap. Let me just write it down. This is my broker's chart. Wait again. Let me check the mic quality. How I'm getting it as of now, right now. we're back again live. So that's okay. हमने ये कर लिया. Nice. Apart from this, what else we want? So we have shortlisted this as well for moving on to the GBP USD. Let's see what's nah, the price is not good around here. Price is not good around here. No. Actually, the price here has done something good. So moving with the 1 week part, one week. Let's see. Although the Euro USD and GBP USD are very much correlated, they move exactly very similar, like not exactly the same, but very similarly, right? So let's see what type of price action we'll be seeing on this. We see that the price took the external liquidity over here, but didn't left us with much fair value gaps. Actually, not. So moving on to the 1 day, I broke, up. I broke, fair value gap filled, up move. I broke, fair value gap filled, up move. I broke. Again came all the way back to the fair value gap and then moved up. Right? I took external, come all the way back into the internal, started to move up again, grabbed the external. Is there any fair value gap around it? There is no fair value gap, right? First things first, clear. On a 4 hour time frame, we see this as a very strong point to approach. A lot of liquidity has been built around here. A lot of liquidity. This price will break like hell. So I definitely need to catch on to this with a break of structure around here. Okay, so this is a very clean area. The moment I'll get a break of structure below this, I'll be willing to short my position. Like this, I'll be definitely planning to sell around here something. Okay, so this is again a pair that I will be trading. Let's see. Most probably I'll be trading the euro dollar pair because I see more. But no. Yes, actually, I see. Whenever I trade the fair value gap, whenever I trade the euro dollar and the GBP USD, I see the correlation between them. So I see that euro dollar pair is much on a bearish side. They're more strong on the bearish trades, and the GBP USD, the GU, it's more powerful. It's more stronger when it comes to taking long trades. You see this up move, this, and you see this. Okay, you see this up move. You see this up move. You can clearly see the difference कि शायद GBP हमारा ज़्यादा strong pair रहा है हमेशा से and 13/32 January. Clearly see GBP is more stronger on a more stronger side. Uh, let's see what euro dollar, euro USD. All the euro USD has grabbed all the sell side liquidity, but still we are planning to move. We are still planning to move higher. Let's see whatever price action we'll be getting. So these pairs as of now are shortlisted. Why? Because they have been continuously giving me price action which build. They have a bias with them. They have a bias. They have a bearish bias with them. Right? So जैसे ही हमारे को एक ब्रेक बिलो मिल जाएगा, we'll add them into the confirmation. So they have and if I see I need another section. the confirmation section. ठीक है, तो confirmation section हमारा यहाँ पे है, where I'll be moving the pairs down with like on gold. We can see if we'll get a good move below. We'll get a move below this, then we can play around to get some more. We have confirmation. We'll be executing the trades on USD pairs. Low, grab external, internal, external, internal, external, internal, internal. ये थोड़ा सा रिवर्सल में जा रहा है, तो wait, external, weekly. What do we have on 4 hour? What do we have? Okay, so on 4 hour time frame, we have quarter this reversal bit happening. So here we can see that the price has scrapped the external and more willingly to come into the mostly I think so that the price has we need okay. This is the green zone that we can be approaching for now. The price has been into the fair value gap. Okay, has given us a good break of structure, the good market structure shift on high low. Okay, came all the way back in the fair value gap and filled it. Now all we need is down move. Okay, so this is also bearish. This is the fair value gap, the 1 hour fair value gap. The price which prices came all the way back into. Okay, okay. So more clear image on the 2 hour time frame. You can see the price is created. Moving the back into this. This is the fair value gap. Price tapped all the way back in. Give us a good down move. Shorted a position here. We can definitely look at trade down. Okay. So this is there is also tradable. Aussie USD. What do we see on Aussie USD? This is the 1 week time frame. Okay, so a minute. Yeah, right. What do we see the chart option? From here. Yeah, we got it. This is the 1 week time frame. Not getting good. Okay. External came all the way back into the to fill the total block. Fair value gap moved up again. Grabbed all the external, internal, external, internal, external. But there's no fair value gap. There is internal, external. Time pass. Maybe reversal kind of thing. External. And now it's approaching the fair value gap. Australian US dollar as well. Has filled up in the also gave us a reversal already. Yep, we have the reversal happening. So we can look for some bullish trades around it in this. So let's see key what type of price action we'll be seeing in this. You can send this to the bias section. Good price action happening around here. If we are bullish on this, we'll be looking for some longs in CUSD. If we talk about the USD CAD section or CAD pair drawings, uh, remove all the drawings. 1 time frame, 1 week time frame. Okay, price is most likely to be approaching this section. Low, high. The price is most likely to be approaching this fair value gaps. Maybe this or this fair value gap. This is the 1 day time frame that the price is approaching this fair value gap. Has scrapped the external liquidity. Moving back into the to grab the internal liquidity. So most probably we'll be seeing the price might approach the fair value gaps, fill it, then maybe later we get a good break below. Okay, so this is also a pair that we'll be approaching. Okay, so let's see what type of price action we'll see. Okay, so the new Aussie dollar, 1 week. Wait, the USD card which I was talking about. On the weekly also has this fair value gap, so which the price is again approaching. Scrapped external liquidity, moving back way into the moving its way back into the. Wait 1 minute, I'll be back. Okay, we're back. Talking ahead. So I want to see how we can catch. We could have caught this. Wait 1 more second, yaar. Viraj. Okay. Talking ahead, we saw this good break of structure out of it. We saw this. We wanted the price to see approaching this level, which it did. Which it did. Approached down here. Low, high, low. This was good break above. Let's see on 3 months. This would have been a good trade. कल 7 बजे न्यूज़ थी. All the way back end till here. After that, stop loss is 17 pip. Our first target is that first target should have been this 0.6 RR. Okay, now I'm starting to seeing some how much time it took. Uh, 145 minutes. And how much I could have folded this, we'll see on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we should have folded our trade up till this level. Wait, let me just switch back to 3 months time frame, and I should have just started to trail high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, gain a high, stop loss here, low, gain a high, low, stop loss here, and a high. At this point of time, I should have booked my profit, because this at this point it's in its order block, and I will be so we could have now most probably I'll be approaching this fairly gap, which I already did, and this way as well. Our bias is bullish. We have our bias, the USD card pair or USD card pair, and the New Zealand USD pair is most of them are trending right now. You can see that we can see the shit happening. Grabbed external, internal, external, internal, external. No favorable gap. There is a favorable gap. External, internal. Came all the way back into internal, external. Do we have a favorable gap? No, we don't have any favorable gap, so that's why we'll be having no bias for this. What about 1 week? No, 1 day. No, as of now, no. Yes, the price is approaching with this reversal. With this reversal shit happening, we should have looked for some sort of short positions. Hello, hello, hi. With this confirmation to the low side, with this confirmation to the low side, we should have started to look some entry patterns now. Or wait, market section I've applied. So maybe you should have shorted our positions. Wait, what I was saying. Approached the fair value gap for our about 15 minutes. Looked break below. Let's see what's happening on 5 minutes. Hello. Time pass. Good down move. Aggressive down move with the fair value gap. We could have shorted at this as our and the bias is bearish. Yeah. ये लो लग रहा है यहीं तक का मेरा पहला टारगेट रहता 1.62 but since our bias is bearish okay, we can see the bias. Okay, so we could have approached this. Yes, so on daily we not see much. Oh, I was looking for it somewhere around here. Came all the way back into the fair value gap. One move up. Again, down move with a fair value gap. Down move आया, फिर fair value gap fill हुआ, फिर down move आया, fair value gap fill नहीं हुआ. तो टाइम पास पर डाउन मूव आया, फिर वैल्यू गैप को यहाँ कहीं दिख नहीं रहा. What price did is actually swept this high, took this fair value gap, again a down move to target these lows. Abhi what's more around this, what all I can see is that the price is started to high low. This is the recent high, this is the recent low. I'm willing I want to say this level up to be approached first, then again we can plan to be more higher. So I guess we have our bias marked up on all the pairs, and Monday's pre-market analysis section video, what we'll do is we'll see that if we are getting some confirmations with a break of structure, we will be adding these pairs, we'll be moving these pairs into the confirmation section, and after that while we'll do execution, we'll switch to the watch list and add those over here. Okay. So that's as of now. I've done analysis as of now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining the stream. मिलते किसी और ऐसी बैक टेस्टिंग या वीकली एनालिसिस वाली वीडियो में. टिल देन कीप वाचिंग. पीस.
तेरे सब बत्ती बोर थले काली कार बैठे कार विच मेरे चुनवे जे यार रो करदा अखा दा दिला उत्ते करेगा बुझे आओ बोड़ वांगू जड़ा बहुत डूंगी आंकड़े लोकां दा दिए में पिंगे बोले घुमदे मिंटो मिंट पटना तू हस बल्ली केड़ा करदा तंग मैनू दस बल्ली साडे मैट्रिक च आउंदी ना प्लस बल्ली करदा तंग केड़ा दस बल्ली मामे तेरे तेरा जो तू हाथ आ गया आओ पड़ के नी तैनू कदे तेल भेजना आओ दिल ते करीब जो कराउन सिर ते जुत्ती पैरां दी बना ले